Hi guys, if you're a real estate agent, you've come to the right place. 26th episode of the One Bite at a Time show, where we go out and find the most valuable, most relevant information you need right now in your business in today's market to help you grow and make money. So Roxanne, what are we talking about today?
We are going to be giving you realtors the top 10 video ideas that you should be making reels on right now in your business.
So let's get started.
Okay, guys, so before I go ahead and list our top 10 video ideas, I did pull these clips with realtors local to our market that we personally work with. And of course, some of the clips are also with Vintage Mortgage. So our first idea is home tours. Check out this reel.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord, if the city please come my way, like leaving breadcrumbs for when I stray, yeah. But I don't sacrifice in the price you pay, like living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip, yeah. More feelings I mean, more like you, yeah. Not to put your fire with the things I do. I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded, low key and staying candid, reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to, finding comfort in the zones of closet bones I get loose to. A mountain is Fontaine, spinning in monsoon and grinning is high octane. Explosive how I came, rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle, encircled by my folly like a most.
So for this reel, it's basically taking clips of a home, and then you're going to go ahead and put how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, just basic information that you would normally post in one little picture about a home, but instead you're doing it through a video.
That's great. And this next video clip is called Guess the Price. I watched this video and I thought it was a great idea. It's going to help engage your clients. Let's watch this clip.
You can take someone else's video of their home tour and then just add your own text to it. So you can do the guess the price or give the layout for the home, but it'll be your video.
And doing these edits I found are really easy.
So number 3, market update. This is definitely an older video, but it's still me giving what's called a market update at the time. Check out my video.
Hey guys, just giving you a real-time market profile for Riverside County. The median home list price is $665, while the average days on the market is 43, and the median days on the market is 14.
Okay, number 4. This is a video about the best businesses in your city. This is a great idea. Builds more engagement.
So last Friday, I found myself at Vail headquarters in Temecula. If you guys have ever been here, it's a really cute place where you can take photos. They have farmers market, assorted restaurants, coffee shop at Press. Of course, I went there before my pickup. And I went to Grazing Theory. If you guys have heard about Grazing Theory and you know what it is, then you know how beautiful their art is. Check out these charcuterie cones. They are a work of art. Thank you so much, Grazing Theory, for coming through. Even at my request to pick up my order early, you guys were perfectly on time, and I appreciate everything. I hope you guys check out Grazing Theory.
Number 5, exclusive promos. If you are offering anything for your client that's making you stand out, make sure you do a video about this. It's literally your own commercial. So here's Steve talking about our creative financing giveaway.
Number 6. This is an interesting one. Borrower testimonials.
Do you think that was good? Tell me I'm good. Tell me it was good. Tell me I'm good. Tell me I'm good. Tell me that was good. Tell me I'm good. Tell me I'm good. Tell me I'm good.
So that's a super cute video. Obviously, it's just a realtor talking about reviews. But guys, make sure you're getting that video testimonial from your buyers and your sellers, just praising you. Lots of clients are going to fact check you by going to your social media. And when they see a third party recognizing how great you are, this is a great video idea. So number 7, about you videos. Remember, I said this on our last social media video, don't just sell. Let people in. Introduce your family, things you like to eat, things you like to do. So also enjoy making videos and posting videos about yourself so people can connect with you.
I'm looking for a yellow bone, long hair star, thick in the hips, come get in my car.
And number 8, of course, home buyer tips. You could put one of these out every month.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He weighs me.
And this is also a great time for you realtors to connect with us, your lender, to find out what the different products are available, different programs, and be able to pass that out to your clients.
Wouldn't be a bad idea to even do some of these videos with your lender.
So number 9, behind the scenes. A lot of people are really interested in what real estate agents do, or they have no idea what you actually do. This is a great way to let people in to our industry and what we actually do to serve our clients.
Who can say where the road, where the day flows?
Shake that body, son of a motherfucker.
And number 10, my favorite, real estate humor. Let people know who you are by giving them some humor. Make them laugh a little bit. This is my favorite type of small video. I use it in video campaigns for buyers and sales stages. I use them all over the place, and they're great. Makes people laugh and also lets people know that you're a lot of fun.
I would check myself into a mental hospital today, but I have things to do.
Thanks for watching, guys. We really hope you enjoyed the top 10 videos that realtors should be making right now in your business. If you have questions on how to make the videos, make sure you contact us directly. And as Steve is here with our mug, make sure you register for the show, subscribe to us on YouTube, and send us an email so you can get your One Bite at a Time show mug.